We are going to have Gujarati thali. I will show Kala Goda is in. Kala Goda is a famous circle it seems. From Patan and Yusuf Patan. So they used to play cricket in this ground only. They came from Bangalore. So my people, say hi guys. Hi. Hi. All are young people. So I will show the statue in the count of 3, 2, 1. Guys, so we are in Odadara bus stand. Now we are going to have Gujarati thali. So I will show that one. Come. आपका नाम
चौधरी
चौधरी आपका
हीरालाल भाई
ठीक है फ्रेंड्स इफ यू नीड एनीथिंग मोबाइल रिलेटेड accessories or phones or pouch you will get in a lesser price. I will recommend one shop that is Ramdev Mobiles. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम मुकेश
मुकेश तुम्हारा नाम अशोक. So you can come here, you can choose here, so they will give in a lesser price. You will get this one in 100 and 150. Good quality. I also brought this. So if you come here, you can buy here. I will show Kala Goda is in. Kala Goda is a famous circle it seems. So I will show that. Indian cricket team, you know, right? Irfan Pathan and Yusuf Pathan. So they used to play cricket in this ground only. So backside of my ground, so I will show that. Now is night, so please suggest. So this is the ground. They used to play Yusuf Pathan and Irfan Pathan. This is Suksagar Circle. एक केसर पिस्ता Guy, while going to Statue of Unity, I got my people, Karnataka people, so I will show them. So have a look. So this is the bus they got. They're traveling from this bus only, and they came from Bangalore. So my people, say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi, all are young people.
They're really young.
Yeah, they're really young.
ನೋಡಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಬ್ಬಿಬ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ಅಹಮದಾಬಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Super, super.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು ಟೂರು ನಮ್ದು. ಆಸ್
Okay.
ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್.
Okay. Okay. ಹೌದಾ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಟೂರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ. Guys, now I'm on the way to Unity of Statue, so once I reach there, so we will catch up there, okay? Hi friends, good afternoon. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. I'm also doing good. So currently I am in Gujarat. Guess what? I am in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Unity of Statue. I am in this place, so we will explore this place. We will see each and everything here. So what is available, what are not available. So we'll explore this. Come, let's go. They won't allow inside our vehicle, so we need to take bus. So I will tell you the procedure once I gone there. Okay, come. So once you enter this place, you have to take tickets. So I will show the ticket counter and all. So let's have a look. We need to take tickets from here, so it's taking. Friends, I will show the map of this one, so have a look. Guys, I have shown the prices, right? So you can go through that video. So one by one, so you can select whatever it is there, and based on your wish, you go for it. Okay, let's go inside. Come. So once you collected the tickets, you have to board the bus. So it will go to that Statue of Unity. Okay. So you will get buses like this, and this is free of cost. They are taking us to the Statue of So I will show the statue in the count of 3, 2, 1. Guys, I will show the 360 degree of this Statue of Unity place, okay? Statue of Unity is over. From here we can go to jungle safari. So now we are going for jungle safari. So whatever is I am showing now is exclusive of jungle safari. Okay.